What's up guys, it's Coco and today we are going to be having some fettuccine alfredo pasta with some hot Cheetos. Alright guys, I'm so excited. So, haven't had pasta in a while, I'm so excited. This is fettuccine alfredo from Buca. And then I just made some hot Cheetos crumbs. I'm so excited. Haven't you guys ever just like tasted fettuccine alfredo? Sometimes it gets so like boring because it's just like creamy pasta. Sometimes you want like a kick with your pasta or something like just to add some spice on your fettuccine alfredo, but sometimes it just gets so boring, like it's just creamy and then pasta. I mean, it's good, but sometimes like for me, like I like a lot of spice in my food. I personally like very spicy food and like just a lot of flavor in my mouth. I like a lot of those. So I just realized, why not put hot Cheetos on a fettuccine alfredo? So we're gonna try this today and we'll see if it's any good. So, by the way, this is a whole pack of hot Cheetos. So wish me luck. Let's do this. All right, I'm so hungry. Let's dig in. Of course, Diet Coke. I just feel like this is gonna be so good. I should probably get some hot sauce, but let's try it without hot sauce first. So good. I'm not kidding you, this is like a dream come true. Like hot Cheetos and everything now. This is super good. And I'm not kidding you. I know it looks super junky, but it just gives it that like right amount of spice that you're craving. If you like spice like me. What are you guys eating today? Are you being good? Are you being bad like me? I don't even care anymore if I'm being bad today. Sometimes I just want to enjoy my food and I don't care what I eat. And today I don't care what I eat, so cheers. Imagine how much calories I'm eating. But it's just so good, I don't even care right now. Woo! So good. I love the pasta from Buca. This is actually the smallest pasta portion. It serves like 2 to 3 people. It's like $30 for this fettuccine alfredo. I wish we had a side of meat though, but it's okay. We're already consuming a lot of food. Also, it gives it that like crunchy texture. Like, you know when you eat a sushi and there's a crunchy texture like tempura? It's kind of like that in this one, plus it gives it a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor. Honestly, it's so good. I can honestly put some more hot sauce in here, but I don't want to ruin the hot Cheeto taste. Or I feel like I'm only going to taste the hot sauce if I put hot sauce in here and not be able to taste anything else. You know, sometimes that happens. When you put too much hot sauce, it's like the only thing that you can really taste is the hot sauce. But at the same time, it's lacking spice. So, I don't know. On this one, though, this is like a perfect amount of spice. I want some pizza. Pizza with hot Cheetos. I already made that too. I have a video of that. But I didn't like chop it off, so I was literally putting hot Cheetos on top of the pizza and it keeps like rolling. But yeah, I'm getting full though. This is honestly so good. I know some of you think that it's stupid, but I mean, it's stupid. The calories are stupid, but the taste is pretty good. Woo! So good. Also, can't stop eating it because it's so good. It's so good. But I'm super full, you guys, though. Like, look how much I ate. I ate half of it. And it's a whole bag of Cheetos, so I don't think I want to finish that. But it was a pretty good meal, I'm not gonna lie. Not the best if you're trying to eat healthy, but if you're cheating, you should probably try this. It's cocoa approved, especially if you like hot stuff or spicy stuff. So, all right, guys, I am tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.